Want to turn your skills into cash? Look no further than DesignCrowd. In this quick video, we'll show you how to start earning on the platform in just 1 minute. Step 1. Sign up and shine. First things first, head to DesignCrowd.com and create your free designer account. This is where you'll showcase your portfolio and impress potential clients. Step 2. Contests or direct projects. DesignCrowd offers 2 ways to earn: contests and direct projects. Contests involve submitting designs for a set prize, while direct projects allow you to work one-on-one with clients. Choose the option that suits your style. Step 3. Find the perfect project. Browse the project listings and filter by your design expertise. Look for projects with clear briefs and enticing prize money for contests, or attractive budgets for direct projects. Step 4. Submit killer designs. This is where your skills shine. Pay close attention to the project brief and client requirements. Submit high-quality, unique designs that stand out from the crowd. Step 5. Get paid. If you win a contest or your design is chosen for a direct project, DesignCrowd securely handles the payment process. You'll receive your earnings through PayPal or Payoneer. Step 6. Level up your earnings. Build a strong reputation by consistently delivering excellent designs and collecting positive client reviews. The more you win and impress, the more projects you'll attract, boosting your income potential on DesignCrowd. There you have it. With talent, dedication, and a bit of DesignCrowd magic, you can turn your design passion into profit. So, sign up today and start earning. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more design and freelancing tips. Let us know in the comments what kind of designs you create. We'd love to see your portfolio. Thanks for watching.